GravityZone Patch Management. For patch management capabilities, an add-on key must be added to your GravityZone console. Patch management is available on Windows and Linux operating systems. The patch management module needs to be installed and enabled on your endpoints. If BEST is not yet installed, create or edit an installation kit from the Installation Packages menu, making sure the patch management option is checked. Once the kit is created, you can either manually or remotely install it on your systems. If BEST is already installed in your environment without the patch management module, you can install it by reconfiguring your endpoints. To do so, in your network inventory, select the endpoints in question, click on Tasks, Reconfigure Agent, select the patch management module and save. Patch scan and install. In order to search for missing patches, in your network inventory, select a computer or group of computers, click on Tasks and then on Patch Scan. Once the process is complete, the patch inventory list will be populated with all available patches. To manually install any patches, you can select them from the list and press Install. A new window will pop up, where you will need to select the targeted groups and press Install once more. The second option is to select any endpoint or group of endpoints from the network view, click on Tasks and on Patch Install. Choose the patches and press Install. From the patch inventory list, you can uninstall certain removable patches and create reports. Any patch can be ignored, thus not being visible anymore in your patch inventory list. The ignored patches can be made visible at any time. Maintenance windows. The Maintenance Windows page allows you to create configuration profiles in order to control maintenance operations on endpoints. With Maintenance Windows, you control automatic patch deployment. First, you will configure how patches are downloaded to the endpoints and then which patches to install and when. You also have the option to select relays with patch caching server role in order to download new patches. The patch dissemination process is using patch caching servers to optimize the network traffic. Windows endpoints connect to these servers and download patches through the local network. Under Vendors and Products to include or exclude from being patched, create a list with applications you want to be updated or not. To apply patch management settings into your network, you need to assign the maintenance window to a policy. To do so, open the policy that you wish to modify, click on Patch Management, from the drop-down menu select the maintenance window that you've just created and save. Reports. To create a patch management report, click on Add, from the drop-down menu select the Network Patch Status Report, select the targets and click Save. The resulting report can be saved or sent via email.